Today's men want women with strong, sexy arms and lots of stamina. Traditional workout partners only last for 2 or 3 minutes. But now you can get the workout you need even between boyfriends. Introducing the Shake Weight, the revolutionary new way to work your hand job muscles designed specifically for women because they don't have penises of their own. In just 6 minutes a day, you can get arms that can jerk off a rhinoceros. So get rid of those sleeves and show everyone that you're an HJ queen. The Shake Weight is based on hand job based workout technology called dynamic inertia. In just 6 minutes a day, you'll be able to squeeze cum from a stone. Scientific studies at a prestigious university prove that the Shake Weight is a 300% more efficient workout than beating off with a traditional penis. Work out near your face, behind your back, or over your chest with no need to clean up afterwards.
I believe the Shake Weight is the fastest, easiest, and most effective way to get a beautiful upper body without getting cum on you. The Shake Weight works like a real dick. You'll get long, lean, toned muscles without being begged to use your mouth. It's like J-ing O, D after D. Order today and get 11 inches of workout equipment for just $19.95. It's big enough to wrap both your hands around and comes with a lifetime guarantee never to become flaccid or impotent. You'll also get this DVD, which your partner can use when you're not in the mood. It's time to get the vice-like, penis-pumping grip you've always wanted. Get the Shake Weight today.